Okay, guys, so if you already saw this short, great. Again, this is Alex, mtb Alex. I just couldn't get that thing off my head right now, so I'm back over here with the Freehub. Let me show you. Maybe this is gonna make a little more sense. If you saw the short, great. If you already commented on that short, even better. I don't know. Tell me what I can do to fix this. If you already know, if you know, because I don't know what's going on. Let me show you. So I already took the cassette off, and this is the cassette lock nut, so whatever. And I thought there was something missing over here to keep this thing from sliding off, because look how easy this comes out. Like no effort whatsoever to get that thing in and out. It goes all the way, but I can kind of see a little bit of a gap right there, but it doesn't go any further. I don't know what I'm doing, but look, there's literally no effort. And when I put this tire back in the bike, the cassette just started sliding over because the Freehub, the free body, was like moving. So I don't know what's going on. That's how the inside looks. I don't know what I'm missing. I don't know what I'm missing, but it's getting on my nerves because I just got this. I laced these wheels up. I got a video about that coming up. Not an instructional video, but I got a video about that coming up, maybe with the time lapse. I haven't even edited. And I took it to the shop so I can get them tightened and straight, true and everything. And I'm already in like $80 for the hubs, $50 for the lace, for the truing and all that. So I'm already $130 in, and for this thing to be doing this shit is ridiculous. Again, this is the Koozer XM 490, 142 millimeters. And yeah, again, look, no effort whatsoever. It just lights out. This is the back of it. It has 6 teeth, 6 ratcheting things. And I don't know what's going on. So check this out. Maybe if I slide it over, you can see a little bit better and kind of help out if you can. But I really don't know what I'm doing wrong. And this is literally like, that's as far in as it goes. And like I said, I can kind of feel a little bit of a gap. Like it wants to go in, but it doesn't. It's just, look how easy it comes out. Like no, like there's not even, it's not even fighting me back. And then if I put the cassette, tighten it up or whatever, it still doesn't matter because this thing falls out. And then of course I have this one, makes no difference right there when I put it on. Because this one doesn't lock anything in place. It's just yeah, I don't know. If you guys can help out, it'll be greatly appreciated. Because I don't know what else to do. So if you guys can help me out, I will greatly appreciate it. Hopefully this video gives you a little more information. If you want to help me, if you already know, if you already encountered this. I know this is not an instructional video. I'm not a professional in this thing. I'm usually get by doing everything by myself, but this time I have no idea what's going on. Please give it a like, comment with any advice, any tips, anything that you can give me. It'll be greatly appreciated. But other than that, I want to get this thing back and running, because that thing is just right there. It's on the floor. So Well, I just put it on the floor. It was hanging, but because I wanted to put the tire back on. And yeah, I can't ride that thing like this. Help! Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And that's it for today, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye. Check out the latest videos. I know I uploaded like 3 or 4 videos this week. It's alright. I'm just gonna keep the content coming, and most of the time it's gonna be bike related, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, thank you guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.